Hi guys, welcome back to Adult App UK, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to install a brand new fork of Kodi which is running absolutely amazing, and I'm going to show you how to install all the adult apps you need from one repository. So if you bear with me, I'll be back in a mo straight after this. Right, so this is Nodi. Nodi is a fork of Lee TV Official. He's done a very good job of this indeed. I'm sure he's had a little bit of help, but he's done a fantastic job getting rid of all the crap that Kodi never needed, and it's a very sleek edition indeed. As you can see at the top, videos, music, pictures, add-ons, games, weather. What more do you need? Right, so first of all, I'm going to show you some of the add-ons which I've actually installed from a repository. So if we just go up to video add-ons, as you can tell, there's quite a few adult add-ons in here. I'll just run through a couple of them with you. I ain't going to go into full detail as I won't be able to, but as you can tell, that is XxX TV Programmy, so you can tell that that is live adult. And trust me on this one, guys, these do work. I might just click on one now, and all being well, it's not going to be full on.
I prefer just...
Might have been, might not have been. Right, so I'll just blur that out anyway. As you can tell, there is so much stuff in here. If you just click to the right, you can skip this a lot quicker. It is loaded to death, this app. Films, we're going to have full-length movies. This is foreign. It's in foreign language, so I don't really know if the movies are in foreign, but there's full movies there. I don't know whether you're just going to get little videos or movies. It's entirely up to you to go through this, guys. I'm just going to show you how to install it all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to blur a lot of that out. You can see there's a few in here. Best Collection, Ghetto Tube, XxX, Video Devil, Ghost X. There is loads. Right, guys, so first of all, I need to show you how to install Nodi, and then we need to add the repository, and it's really straightforward. You're gonna love this one, guys. It is super simple. So if you bear with me, I'm just gonna get on that now. So first of all, we need to do, as we've done in the past, we need to go all the way to the right to the settings. We need to go down into My Fire TV, make sure the developers options are on, which is the ADB debugging, the apps from the unknown sources. We're going to go all the way back to the left, search for Downloader. There it is, 3 steps down. Once you've got Downloader, guys, just open it up. And what we're going to go in here, we are going to search for file linked. .com. Once you've got this, guys, all you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down until you see download file linked. Click on that there. Download it and then install it. And then open it up. Alright, guys, so the code that you need to input there is 508-539-85. I will put this down in the description for you guys, so you don't have to come back to this. And once you've done that, just click continue. And it's now brought you back into my market. A lot of you have been here before. So what we are going to be looking for now, guys, is if we scroll all the way down. So we get to this section here. We've got Nodi, which is a 32-bit, and then we've got Nodi, which is a 64-bit, and then we have the Ghost repo. So what we need to do is find out what device we're on. If we're on a Fire Stick, I suggest you use a 32-bit. If you're on a bigger device like an Android, big Android box with 8 gig memory or plus, or a NVIDIA Shield, use the 64-bit. This will be run a lot smoother on your device. So what we need to do is download 32-bit as I'm on a Fire Stick. So I've just clicked the play button, let that install. Then don't open it up, just click done. And then what we need to do is, if you see that little ghost repo there, we just need to download that. And that's it, guys. Right, so all you need to do is back out all the way, go to your home menu, reopen Nodi, let it do its first install. It takes 10 to 20 seconds. So when you first open up Nodi, it's going to bring up this home screen here. So what you need to do, you need to go all the way down to add-ons. In the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see that like jigsaw puzzle. You just need to click on that. And then you need to go to install from zip file. We need to go to the external storage, file linked, downloads, and that's the repository which you've just installed. So we're going to click on that. There you go. Ghost repo is just installed. So now what you need to do is install from the repository. So if you go to Ghost repo, video add-ons, and this is it, guys. This is where all of the add-ons are. So what you need to do is choose your add-ons. Let's click that one. Click your install. And what it's going to tell you, it's going to install all these little add-ons with it. You need them for it to work, guys. So make sure you install them all. Click OK. Let them install. And once you've installed all them other little ones, you probably won't have to install them again. This will probably be a standalone download. So what you can do is your next one, click on that one. Install. All of them have already installed, so click on that. And yeah, there is loads in here, guys. Install that one. So you guys get the gist, right? So all you know what to do now is go back again. You can always go back in there to install if you want. And all these, what you've just installed, will be in your add-ons, ready for you to click. So let's just fire one up, show you how easy it is. Programming. And yeah, let's just click that one. It's going to ask you to download the F4M tester, which you do need for this to work. So download that, let that install, and that's it. All your apps should work now. Oh, right. So this is a fully loaded adult build on your preferences. You delete, you uninstall, you install, whatever you like. There is a lot of apps in here. Delete, play with them, do what you do. Yeah. Right. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to leave you there. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up and hit that subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.